I'm Adam, co-founder of Formula, and here's everything you need to know about using your Formula Starter Kit. So by now, your first shipment has arrived, and inside you'll find 4 unique formula boxes, each with 6 packets for a total of 24. And over the next 30 days, you'll test each one of these formulas, record how they make you feel, and work with one of our brain coaches to improve them for future shipments. You were recommended each one of these formulas based on your quiz results, and they have the highest statistical likelihood of helping you. However, not all of them may work, and that's the beauty of the Formula Starter Kit. See, it's just as important to figure out what doesn't work as it is to figure out what does. Each week, you'll select one formula to try, and you'll take it for up to 6 days. See, we found that programming in at least one day off helps your body from getting used to these nutrients. Also inside your box, you'll find a Nootropics guidebook. This has step-by-step instructions on what you'll do during your first month, what to expect, and what's inside each one of your formulas. In the back, you'll find a journal where you can grade each one of your formulas each day. You'll start by taking one whole packet first thing in the morning. It's important to take all of the capsules at the same time as they work synergistically. It's completely safe to take formula with or without food and coffee. We recommend starting on an empty stomach. However, if you feel a little nauseous, simply take it with food the following day. Some of these formulas you'll feel the first time you take it. Others may take up to 3 days for you to experience the full effects. So when these nootropics start to work, you'll notice it. There'll be this measurable increase in focus and energy. You'll have a longer attention span. You'll feel more creative. You'll be getting more stuff done during the day. Important to know, everyone's brain chemistry is completely unique, and everyone responds differently to these nootropics. So use these coaches, ask questions, report your results. There's a link below where you can schedule a call or email directly. We will be in touch over the next 30 days. We are incredibly excited to be working with you and so thankful that you brought us along on this journey.